Welcome to my channel. The version 2.0.1 by Jyers has just been released 3 hours ago, and as you can see, here are the major fixes. We have fixed axis coordinate display, moved back to old STM32 environment for the mapping. We have fixed long file name issue, fixed display off issue, fixed filament load and unload freezing, and re-edit the beeper disable. And here are the main assets you can download, and here the source code for Windows and for Mac. Now let's download the firmware and see how it works. Now I have installed the firmware on my Ender-3 v2, but this is the issue it comes with: TMC connection error. As you can read here, TMC connection error. So I'm going to show you how I fix this issue. For that, we're going to move to the computer. I open Visual Studio Code, then I open the file configuration.h, and I look for TMC. And the line that interests me here is this one, that is the one concerning the hot end. As you can see here, it says define E0 driver underscore type TMC 2208. Now all I do is just add at the end standalone underscore standalone. It's very simple. Now I save the file. I open AutoBuild Marlin and I compile the firmware. The firmware is ready. Now I copy the firmware on my SD card. I remove this SD card. I insert this SD card in the printer and I restart the printer to upload the firmware. And there we go. There is no more TMC connection error. As you can see, it is ready now. No more TMC connection error. This is also the firmware. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, and hit the notification bell for further videos. Thank you very much.